Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing this Thailand Plus tracking app, or contact tracing app if you want to call it that. A recent article from ThaiVisa.com, the article is titled Government to Introduce Thailand Plus Application for Foreign Tourists, and they were quoting directly from Thai PBS World, and many thanks for the translation and the insight here. I'm going to quote a quick excerpt, quoting directly, Mr. Somport Arunai, CEO of the Energy Absolute Company, which developed the Morchana application, said that the Thailand Plus app functions like Morchana, but it will link to information from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs regarding the certificate of entry of the arriving foreign tourists for screening and tracing from arrival in Thailand for the prevention of COVID-19 spread. So there appears to be a component of this wherein this app is going to interact with certificates of entry. And for those who are unaware, we made a number of videos on this channel, but certificates of entry have been rolled out. They were rolled out back in March 2020, and basically they were kind of rolled out in response. It seemed to be the main response in an immigration context to create sort of an extra layer of review associated with Thai visa. So what is a certificate of entry? It's issued simultaneously with a visa. It has one-day validity. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs coordinates with various other ministries, most notably immigration here in country, and the Ministry of Public Health, and alternative state quarantine facilities, and the air carrier to go ahead and provide one day of entry for that foreigner to then come to Thailand, be admitted into Thailand, be placed in quarantine, and then presumably now that this app seems to be coming online, they can be then traced thereafter to make sure that, I don't know what they're trying to make sure, but long story short, it's a contact tracing app, and this seems to be an integral part, or becoming an integral part, of issuance of a certificate of entry. Now, we're going to keep an eye on this because I think this will have some rather profound ramifications for foreigners here in Thailand, and we will keep you updated on that on this channel as the situation progresses.